Hello students, welcome to our tutorial guide. Today we are going to discuss about most important suggestion with answer of B.ed first semester course on point 5. At first I want to tell all the beautiful students to subscribe our channel to get most important and informative video. So don't waste time, we start our main topic. The first question on your screen is write the major importance of interdisciplinary study. I am just reading the question and share the answer also. You can screenshot the answer and note down on your exercise book and prepare them for your exam. So let's see the answer. The next question is give any two application of mathematics in day-to-day life, or mention any two practical values of mathematics, or give two examples of daily life where knowledge of mathematics is applied, or state two uses of mathematics in day-to-day life, or what do you mean by mathematics in day-to-day life? Let's see the answer. The next question is mention any two characteristic of social science. Okay, have a look. Next question is write the name of two mathematics of ancient India with their contribution. Let's see the answer. Next question is define curriculum and syllabus. Let's see the answer. Next question is state two relevance of social science in school curriculum, or discuss the place and relevance of social science in school curriculum, or how does social science curriculum enable students to develop a critical understanding of society, or discuss the place of social science in school curriculum. Let's see the answer. Look, the next question is write any two relation between science and social science. Let's see the answer. Next question is what do you mean by link language? Here is the answer. Next question is explain briefly the nature of mathematics, or write a short note on nature of mathematics. Let's see the answer. Next question is what is the philosophy of social science? Have a look. Next question is mention two roles of language in intellectual development of children. Let's see the answer. Next question is briefly describe different function of language with example, or enumerate the instrumental and imaginative function of language. Let's see the answer. Next question is how can you explain the centrality of language in education, or discuss the essentiality or importance of language in education, or what are the main objectives of teaching mother tongue? Let's see the answer. Next question is what language policy is being followed in secondary school? Let's see the answer. Next question is discuss various policies adopted in language education in independent India, or discuss the language policy in Indian education. Let's see the answer. Next question is, discuss in detail the aims and objectives of teaching in different languages. Let's see the answer. Next question is, explain the need of studying social science through an interdisciplinary approach. Let's see the answer. Explain the interrelationship among various school subjects. Let's see the answer. Next question is, discuss about aims of interdisciplinary studies. Let's see the answer. So students, it was the most important suggestion for your upcoming exam. Please share with your friends and give chance to watch. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.